Most photographers would probably walk straight past this scene. I mean, come on, no dramatic clouds, no incredible light, nothing exciting happening in the sky. But today I'm gonna attempt something that sounds almost impossible. Can a vintage Tokina lens create a fine art black and white image from a completely ordinary scene? And we're gonna find out. When people think about fine art landscape photography, they usually imagine dramatic weather, storm clouds, fog, powerful light. But today I found none of that. Just a lighthouse, calm sea, and a sky that couldn't be more boring. So instead of relying on conditions, I'm gonna rely on vision, composition, and the character of an old vintage lens. I'm keeping the composition simple. The lighthouse is my main subject. No distractions, no clutter, just shape, tone, and atmosphere. I'm also using long exposure to smooth the water and simplify the scene even further. And for that, I'll be using a 10-stop ND filter and a 3-stop ND filter also on top of each other. As you can see, we're in live view here. If you notice on the screen, we have those red highlighting dots. That's my manual focus, and I'm using focus peaking since the vintage lens doesn't have autofocus. Now I'm going to wait for this ferry to pass by because I don't want it in the scene. And that small yacht to the right side, well, I can delete it later in post. So now I have the ND filters on top of the lens, and I'm going to start dialing in the exposure. And I'm going to go all the way up to around 1 minute. Now I'm going to take the shot, and we have a 2-second timer, and we're going to count down backwards from 1 minute to 0. And here we have the 1 minute long exposure shot straight out of camera, and I'm going to show you the image that I edited later on in post also. So this is what I started with, a fairly ordinary photograph, nothing dramatic, nothing spectacular, but after working with the image in black and white and embracing the look of the vintage lens, this is the result. The mood feels stronger and the simplicity works, and somehow the vintage lens gives the image a character that feels different from modern glass. So maybe great fine art photography isn't always about finding incredible conditions. Maybe it's about finding potential in ordinary ones. And maybe these old lenses still have something valuable to offer. And what do you think? Well, thank you everyone for watching the video. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more about black and white photography.